In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here, we're going to walk through the process in a clear and practical way so you can follow along without feeling rushed. The goal is to make each part easy to understand while keeping everything natural and organized, especially if this is your first time doing it. Before you begin, make sure you have everything you need ready and that you're in the right place to start. Taking a moment to prepare can save you time later and helps avoid simple mistakes. As you follow along, it's a good idea to move carefully from one part to the next, rather than trying to skip ahead. Start by opening the correct page, tool, or section needed for this task. Once you're there, take a second to confirm that you're looking at the right screen. If something seems different from what you expected, pause and double check before continuing. Small differences in layout can happen, but the overall process should still be similar. Next, enter the required information in the appropriate fields. Be careful to type everything accurately and review it before moving on. If any details are optional, only include them if they're relevant. This is also a good time to make sure no sensitive personal information is being shared unnecessarily. After that, continue by selecting the correct option or setting based on the instructions you've been given. Read each label closely so you choose the one that matches your goal. If there are multiple choices that seem similar, slow down and compare them before making your selection. Once that's done, move forward to the next screen or section and review everything you've completed so far. This quick check can help you catch errors early and gives you more confidence before finalizing anything. If you notice a mistake, correct it now rather than waiting until the end. When you're ready, confirm the action to apply, save, or submit your changes. Depending on the platform, this might take a few seconds, so give it a moment to process. Avoid clicking multiple times since that can sometimes create confusion or duplicate actions. Finally, look for a confirmation message, updated status, or visible change that shows the process was completed successfully. That final check is important because it tells you the task actually went through. And that's it. If you followed each part carefully, you should now have completed the process correctly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made the steps easier to understand and follow.